Hello everyone, I'm Surabhi. Welcome to my channel. As you've seen the thumbnail of this title, I'm going to share 4 of the habits which have helped me stay motivated being a homeschool mom or being a stay-at-home mom. And I am a little doubtful about the word motivated I'm using because I don't feel that motivated every single day. I mean, I wake up every morning on my bed and I sit and I just want to quietly read my book and just calm down, listen to my music. That is something I feel like doing. Do you think I'm motivated to go out and start cooking and cleaning and homeschooling and ready to explain my kids 1000 times that why you need to eat fruit or why do you have to do schoolwork and why spelling is important? And do you think I'll be motivated to do that every single day? Same with my kids. Do you think my kids just wake up and like, yeah, where's schooling? I want to do my homeschooling. Do you think they're that motivated to do it? No, trust me, they are not. And coming to my husband also, do you think every morning he's like, yeah, I'm so excited to go to my job or I'm so excited to do work from home? No. The day he has to go out to office, he's like, oh my god, who will go get ready? And the day his work from home is like, oh my god, I have a meetings and I have this and that meeting. Do you think we all are like super motivated people? No, I don't think any can. I mean, in real life, I don't think you can be self-motivated so much. And I call about self-motivation here because in a way, I do not have a income coming from the job I'm doing. In a way, that the stay-at-home moms or like we do not have any financial output that is coming from whatever we are doing. Same goes to my kids. They don't write any exams, so they do not see the meaning in like why we have to study. They're kids, they don't have those kind of targets, like you can say tangible target something. So what makes them do schooling or all those kind of things? Same goes to me, like what is my motivation to go and clean and prepare fresh food? No, I don't. Maybe a tangible motivation is not there. So I don't say that I'm self-motivated to do all these things, not does my family to do what their job is. But yes, we know the choices we have made, we have commitments to keep, we have a job, I have a job, my kids have a job, my husband has a job, and we need to keep that commitment. And that is the thought process that makes us go out of this room and start doing what we are expected to do. And while we are doing it, I would say for myself that I have this 4 habits which I'm sharing is those 4 ways or habits which have evolved in all these years, because they help me keep going on this homeschooling journey day by day, on hard days, good days, whatever, self-judgment days or guilty days, whatever. But these 4 habits are one which keep me sane, which keep me happy, which make me enjoy my homeschooling day or homeschooling life, and let me enjoy the house also as a stay-at-home mom, though I am not like someone who really enjoys cooking or cleaning. But yeah, it makes me enjoy my job. That's all I can say. So I will just share those 4 habits, you can say 4 ideas, 4 changes I have made in my lifestyle which really keep me motivated, if you want to say, to go through the day or go through this season of my life. And that's what I'm going to share. So let's from the first one is go and get ready. What do you mean by that? Like every single morning, as soon as I get out of my bed, like I get up, I go and get ready, in the sense I change my pajamas and I wear a sports attire basically, because that's comfortable and I can wear at home. Sports attire means like leggings and t-shirts. Just wash my face, brush my teeth, comb my hair, and just get ready, like ready, kind of ready, in the way that, see, I stay at home. We have a sofa, comfortable sofa outside where I sit and do read alouds or do schooling at times. It's very easy for me, or like amicable for me, to just lie down on my sofa or come and lie down on my bed and scroll on the phone. I fall into that trap very easily. So I have to make sure that I do not feel comfortable going to my bed. You get that? I don't feel like comfortable lying on my sofa unless like I'm really not doing well. So getting ready, putting cream, like simple just cream, and wearing a watch sometimes give me a feeling of like getting ready for office. Like when I was in corporate job, sometimes I'll be like really watching TV till 4 o'clock in the morning, but 8 o'clock I will get up, get ready and go to office and work efficiently whole day. So not that I can survive now without sleep, but the thing is that when I get ready physically, it automatically kicks my mind that I'm ready for the day. This is my job, I need to do it. So that keep me psychologically as well as physically ready for this job, whatever it is, hard, easy, not. Like corporate days are also not easy, right? Some days are good, some days are bad, some meetings are hard. Same way is here, that I feel like I am started the day, I have a job, let's do it. So that is one thing that really kicks me out of this room. And this thing which my husband really gets confused, like, you didn't even have to go to office, why are you getting ready? Because the day he's work from home, he just literally wakes up from the bed and sits at his desk. Like, that's what he does, and he feels this getting ready is very tiresome job. And he's like, why? You're at home, you can be in comfortable clothes. And I'm like, no, if I go to comfortable clothes, right, I'll be too much comfortable the whole day, and that won't work, because I need to keep myself going, keep myself motivated, and keep moving and getting things done, because else nothing will get done in this house. So that is one thing, how trivial it seems, but every day get ready before you step out to do your homeschool or to your work or whatever job you have. Maybe if you're a stay-at-home mom, still you will have some jobs, right? So just get ready first and kick your brain that work day starts now. That's one thing. Second thing is, whenever I get up, without getting out of my bed, I sit there and browse my phone. People say it's a bad habit, as soon as you get up you should not look at my phone, but I do, because I get up, I look at my phone for 15 minutes, my WhatsApp, YouTube and Facebook, those three things I'll check, and then I will leave my phone and go to washroom to get ready, and then I will not touch my phone till my schooling is over, and that's usually lunchtime or 11:30, something like that. Now, how it helps and why I do that: if my phone is around me somewhere outside, even I'm not using it, but even by chance I look at the phone, some message from family, from friends, something, it distracts me. And sometimes I have been behaved very badly with my kids, because my mind is somewhere and they ask me a question and I just get annoyed for no reason. Probably I am not able to multitask things. So I realize that whenever the phone is around me, even if I'm not using it, somewhere it takes my attention, and when my attention goes at something, I lose the connect with my child. My kids will be telling me some story, something, maybe they are whining, whatever it is, I am not fully attentive with my kids. And when I'm not attentive, I am you can say not motivated to solve the problem or to listen to my child or just try to understand my child, because I lose that connection with my child when the phone is around me. That's how it works for me. So I just keep the phone out of my way till I'm done with the kids, till lunchtime at least. So yes, morning 15 minutes is completely mine. Sometimes 10 minutes, sometimes just 5 minutes, but at least the phone thing, whatever you say, dopamine or whatever it is, I get that kick early in the morning that I have checked my phone, I'm done with it, and my phone is not around me whenever I'm outside this room. So that's the second thing, I just don't touch my phone. The third thing is my nighttime routine. Okay, so nighttime routine, I don't have a detailed routine for my kids, I give them bath or bedtime reading or nothing. No, I have outgrown that thing. I just send my kids brush their teeth, they go to their bed, and I just say good night, give a good night hug and come out. They sleep by themselves. But the timing is very strict. After 7:30, I don't answer their questions. I literally tell them that mom is done for the day, don't ask me any questions, whatever you're asking, we'll answer them tomorrow. Anything they have about anything, I'm done for the day. Usually my husband is around, so if I can tolerate, I sit quietly and just listen to them. But most of the times 7:30 is the time when I just come to my room. I am done. My husband is too happy being around kids, because he has just come from office or he's just done with his work, so he want to play, talk to them and everything. I'm I don't want to literally see my kids or talk to my kids or listen to them for some time, because from morning to 7:30 I am exhausted. And it's not that my kitchen is done, nothing is done. It's just 7:30, I had my dinner, I talk to my husband, I come to my room and just lie down quietly. I'm browsing my phone or reading my book or doing whatever, but 7:30 I'm just done with the kids, and I'm very, very strict about it. I'm done. And my husband also knows that her patience level is full, so let's not touch it out. And then 8 o'clock I just go to their room, turn off the lights, good night hug, and I'm done. So basically this I have however hard the day has been, or I have been tired, or whatever it is the day has been, I know that 7:30 time is my time. After that I am not bothered, or I am not answerable to anyone. That is a very big motivation for me to reach till end. You know, this is the end I have. So even if the things get hard, I'm tired, or whatever reason it is, seeing the end goal, or seeing the, you know, end point, I till 7:30 I'm able to maintain my sanity, or I push myself to say not to shout, stay calm, figure out the ways to figure out, you know, calm down kids, or whatever it is, because I know that I have the strict timeline of 7:30. After that I'm not answerable to anyone, and that is a strong motivator for me to just keep going through day. And once 8 o'clock kids are in bed, and then I go to kitchen and, you know, sort out things and everything. But 7:30, after 7:30 basically I don't deal with my kids. So that is a very important routine for my sanity, and you can say my motivator to homeschool every single day. And the last thing is finding that thing to pause. What do you mean? I feel that in homeschooling life, or in parenting life, the days are not hard, okay? Maybe some days are hard, but generally it is like one thing, one moment which is very hard, or maybe little hard, but how I react in that moment decides that will my day be hard or not. Basically, there can be a moment when you're already bubbled up, but for whatever reason, and there is some spark from one child, sibling conflict, anything, something not working. In that moment, if I can pause, take a step back, and just calm myself down and figure out the things, then probably my whole day will not turn bad. But in that moment, if I just shout, usually I shout or scream, or, you know, do not handle the kids gently, then my whole day is gone for sure. So how do I make sure that I pause that moment? So everyone has their own things, but I have figured out that whenever I know that things are not working out, kids are whining, schooling is not happening, she's not getting a concept of maths, or her writing is not proper, whatever thing which is, you know, I can feel that this is going to kick me here, and the day is going to be hard, or the moment is harder, I go and make a coffee for myself. It's very simple thing, but when I move myself from that school situation, go to kitchen, make a coffee, and by the time I come back and sip my coffee, I have calmed down, I have taken the pause. And finding that thing which can give me a pause usually turn out the days much better than ever. Because the days I know coffee is not very good for thing. I am not someone who's a coffee, who loves coffee, or I don't even drink tea. But this one thing is the thing which make me move away from the situation, and just again the pause, so that I can react better in that moment and do not turn the whole day bad. So you get that point. So you have to figure out that one thing which can make you pause, something which can stop that moment, that very moment, and stop you to react from it. Because if you know how to stop your reactions, or so till you get a better reaction, your half problem is solved. And so these are the 4 habits I mean like 4 habits I live by every day. Anything get messed up in these 4, things go out of hand. That is my experience. So these 4 are the most important things I remember. I try to remind myself every single day, and that's how I sustain. And more than sustaining, I enjoy my life, enjoy being a mom, enjoy being a homeschooling mom, and still very passionate about homeschooling, irrespective of the fact that I have come from India and everyone has convinced me that I should not homeschool my kids. But still I am going very strong on homeschooling. I really love it. And but yeah, if these 4 habits would not have been there, probably I would have broken down. I feel that. And probably I'll figure out other things. If things get harder, maybe I find some other ways to keep myself motivated enough. But as of now, these 4 moments or 4 habits are one which keep me going on each of us. And that's what I wanted to share. So thank you so much for being here, listening to me, and do let me know if you have any suggestions or any questions. I'll try to share my journey or my story with you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.